But then, not now. Why are they going forward? Come on, come back.
Sorry, just give us a sorry, can we have them? All right, you're welcome back, Your Excellencies. Pictures. First of all, the news was that we also saw pictures of you meeting with former President Olusegun Obasanjo. Well, thank you very much. Pictures will not lie. All that you saw, whether with APC presidential candidate Tinubu, we met with him, including our brother who had to go back to America on his vacation. We also met with the former president and presidential candidate of the Labour Party. We met with our presidential candidates. For us, we are looking at the larger picture. Nigeria today is in distress. What can we do? No man or woman alone can get it right for our country. We are looking at how we can harness ideas and put ourselves together to ensure that we get out of the present challenge we are in Nigeria today. Nigeria is in distress, there's no doubt about that. From top to bottom. Consider what was happening in 2015 and where we are today. So it is a concern that we have for our country, Nigeria. So this is beyond partisan politics. We are looking at how we can come together and find a way of ensuring that Nigeria survives. Nigeria is on drip. Nigeria is on oxygen. And how can we get out of this? So this is the whole thing about it. Consultation is going on. Nothing very concrete to tell you that this is what we have concluded. The consultation is going on and will continue to go on. We are still going to meet here. We are still going to meet some other time and see how we can work to ensure that the project Nigeria works. So we are back and we appreciate, I think it was what doing these 3 meetings that we had, apart from the earlier commitments we had to do individually in Europe.
There's nothing to add. I said it. I think we must find a way to rescue our country, not only for this generation, but for our children and grandchildren. And this is a country with great potential, and we have people everywhere. And we think that it's important we engage across board. We're also looking at speaking with civil society organizations and those who have ideas, Nigerians in the diaspora. All the resources available in this country has to come together at this time to see how best we can move forward. And the existential nature of this need has belittled whatever partisan differences we have. And going forward, I think the interest of Nigeria is paramount.
What you have heard what the leader of our delegation just said. There's nothing special about it. We met with the presidential candidate of All Progressive Congress. We met with our leader, former president of Nigeria, Atiku Abubakar, and the presidential candidate of the Labour Party. We also met with our own presidential candidate. And now I can say confirm this is the first time as a team we are meeting with the presidential candidate, so you can see all those rumors and this and that. But for whatever it is worth, like I said, consultation is ongoing. What we're talking about, like I said, is for the interest of Nigeria and Nigerians. It's not any interest in a parochial, being centered on one person or a group of persons. So we believe that what is going on, it will be for the interest of Nigeria at the end of the day. Consultation, like I say, is still ongoing. Nothing we can say now that they have concretized. Discussions are going on, and we believe that whatever that's going on now is for the interest of it. Never mind some people who do not believe in the existence of this country. Some people who are just interested in their own. Some people who only know how to produce their own children as governors or members of National Assembly. It's unfortunate that the country where a man finishes to be a governor. Now what the man does again, how his own son will be a governor. And this is what has been part of the crisis we're having. You know, it's unfortunate. And these are the kind of people who say they are leaders of this country. What example are they showing as leaders of the country? What are they showing? The leadership is not about you. Leadership is not about you and your family. Leadership is about everybody. Somebody finishes 8 years as governor. Somebody brings his own son to be governor. Bringing his own son to go to the National Assembly. It is only in this part of the world that you can see that. We were talking about poverty everywhere. And these are people who do not mean well for Nigeria. Nigeria cannot move except they think that it will be them. That's why we are. See, this is a country where someone with a primary school certificate can become a Minister of Foreign Affairs. It's on primary school certificate becoming a Minister of Foreign Affairs. That tells you how bad this country has gone. But we believe that with the new thing going on, it will be a thing of the past. No amount of insult, no amount of blackmail with the towers for doing the right thing. So we are opposed for it, and we won't go back. Thank you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.